Welcome to our YouTube video on how to share Facebook posts on Instagram. In this full guide, we will walk you through the simple steps to seamlessly share your Facebook posts, stories, and reels to your Instagram account. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Step 2. Locate the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. Step 3. Scroll down the menu page and tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Step 4. A menu will pop up. Tap on Settings. Step 5. Scroll down the Settings page and at the bottom of the screen, tap on See More in Meta Account Center. Step 6. Tap on Sharing across profiles. Step 7. In the Share From section, tap on your Facebook account. Step 8. Your Instagram account will be the destination for sharing. Tap on Share To. Step 9. Switch the toggle icon on for Facebook Stories, Facebook Posts, and Facebook Reels. Step 10. Congratulations! You can now share every Facebook post, story, and reel to your Instagram account. To ensure sharing across platforms, follow this additional step. Go back to the Facebook Content Posting tab, upload a picture, and make sure the Instagram icon appears just below your name. Now, you have mastered the art of sharing Facebook posts on Instagram. Enjoy sharing your favorite moments with your Instagram followers effortlessly. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Stay tuned for our next video.